in this video we are going to see how to solve the equation if the curve is given to you in the form of a parabola. So this is the numerical. Fit a parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the data. Values of x and y are given to you. X is equal to 10, 12, 15, 23, 20. Y is equal to 14, 17, 23, 25 and 21. So the curve is given to you in the form of parabola. So y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So if you consider this equation, there are the three unknowns a, b and c. So we require the three simultaneous equation. So I will write the desired simultaneous equation for parabola. So summation y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x plus cn. Then second equation is summation xy is equal to a summation x cube plus b summation x square plus c summation x. And third is summation x square y is equal to a summation x raised to 4 plus b summation x cube plus c summation x square. So these are the three important equations which are required whenever the question is or whenever the curve is given to you in the form of parabola. So after writing these three equations, now we will see how to prepare a table. So this is the table. So first column is the values of x. So all these values I have entered here. Then second column is for the y values. All the values of y I have entered here. Then next is x square. You have to make the square of these x values. Then x cube for these values. Then x raised to 4, fourth power for this. And then you have to next column is for the xy values. Take the multiplication for these two columns, and last column is x square y and multiplication for these two columns. So all the values I have calculated and I have entered in this table. After that you have to make the summation of each column. So first summation for the first column, that is summation x is equal to 80. Then summation y is equal to 100. Summation x square is 1398. Then make the summation for all these. X cube is 26270. Summation x raised to 4 is 521207. Summation xy is 420. 1684. And summation x square y is 30648. So in this way you have to form the table. And now you have got all the values for the summation. Now the next step will be put up all these value in this three simultaneous equation. So putting all the values in these three simultaneous equation, I will rewrite those equation as 1398a plus 80b plus 5c is equal to 100. This is first equation. Then 26270a plus 1398b plus 80c is equal to 1684. This is the second equation. And last equation will be 521202a plus 26270b plus 1398c is equal to 30648. So this is your equation number 3. So if you look these three equations, so there are the three unknowns a, b, c and ABC. So you have to solve these two simultaneous equations. By solving these two simultaneous equation, you will get the value of these three unknowns, and you know how to solve this simultaneous equation. So directly I will write the values for a and b. So after solving, equation simultaneously, the value of a you will get it is equal to minus 0.06, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 8.72. So once you got the values of a, b and c, so write the equation for parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So put up the value of these three unknown in this equation. So y is equal to minus 0.06 x square plus 3x plus in bracket minus 8.72. So this is the equation for a parabola.